Hi everyone! Have you ever heard the term sustainable beauty? Do you know what it means? Let's learn about it with me, Dr. Palma. Traditionally, most beauty products use petrochemical-based active ingredients. However, sustainable beauty products have recently been gaining popularity in the market as consumers are becoming more conscious about the safety of the planet and their bodies. What are sustainable beauty products? They are the beauty products made using natural active ingredients produced from renewable raw materials that do not have negative impacts on the environment. This means the non-renewable petrochemical-based ingredients are replaced with plant-based oleochemicals such as palm oil. Today, almost 70% of all beauty products use palm-based oleochemicals as its active ingredients as they are renewable, sustainable, and environmentally friendly. They are also scientifically proven to be a greener alternative for the benefit of our planet. Most beauty products containing palm-based oleochemicals are also of superior quality. Their allergen-free characteristics ensures effective results to the consumers without putting them at risk of skin irritation, allergic reactions, or chronic diseases like cancer. The goodwill of sustainable palm-based beauty products also means that being environmentally responsible also helps enhance brand reputation for beauty brands. Companies that are committed to reducing their environmental impact by going eco-friendly and ensuring complete transparency in their production practices are much more highly valued today than those ignorant about the environment. Keeping these benefits in mind, choosing beauty brands that use sustainable palm oil will help us spread social awareness about and reward companies committed to quality, safety, and sustainability.